ito pong susunod kong kakantahin, mga kaibigan, ay inaalay ko sa bawat isa sa inyo. Kung natatandaan niyo po ang Star in a Million. Natatandaan niyo po ba yung Star in a Million? Ayan! Nanood sila ng Star in a Million. Oo nga.
This is the moment!
This is the moment! This is it! Okay, ito po ang naglagay sa akin kung nasaan po ako ngayon. Ito po ang awitin na to.
You're the champ!
Alright! Alright, everything! You know, off the chart.
Yeah, you're the champ! You're my cousin!
Sino ba yan? Hindi kita makita yung yan yung may spotlight eh.
Hindi.
Ayun, ang gwapo naman pala ni Sir.
You're the champ!
Tayo nga kayo, Sir. Tayo.
You're the champ!
Umarap naman kayo sa kanila, Sir. Alright! Okay. This is the moment para po sa inyo lahat. Since you're special to me, I want to give you a very special song. And ito pong ang napaka-special na awitin para sa akin. And gusto ko po itong iaalay sa inyo lahat. Sana po ay magustuhan po ninyo. Ang lamig ng tubig. This is the moment. This is the day.
Oh yeah!
Rise and go 1,000 demons on their way. Every endeavor I have made ever is coming into play. Is it here and now today? This is the moment. This is the time when the momentum and the moment are in your eye. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my past and make some sense at last. This is the moment when all done, when all the dreaming, scheming and screaming become one. This is the day. See it sparkle and shine.